Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So today is non-farm payroll, which is definitely a big news event for the dollar pairs. Now, overall, I am definitely bearish the US dollar yen because I still think this is possibly the end of a pullback in the higher time frames. So overall, I am definitely bearish, and I wouldn't be surprised if it just went down like that and just kept on trending down at the news. But it kind of seems like the dollar might try to do like a little bit of a liquidity grab, a little bit of a push up, which actually could make sense because that would be a little bit more of a proper, ABC shape. Maybe end up going up to like the 78% and then reversing back to the downside either early next week or maybe later on today. So, like I said, overall, I am definitely bearish the dollar. Whether or not it's going to make a move up, before it goes down, I guess is the question. It definitely looks like based on the US dollar index that we could get a little bit of a push up before we actually do go down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.